So today I'm going to install lee cloths on the bunks, and these are just basically strips of fabric that keep you from falling out when the boat's heeled over at sea. So I got these pad eyes, and I'll just put them on each end, and then maybe one up here. Although it might make more sense to put a grab rail up here and then just attach it to that. So I cut out these rectangles for the lee cloths, and I just hemmed the edges. I'm gonna punch some holes in it so then I can put these nickel spur grommets on there. So these grommets, they're different than normal ones. They have these little spurs, and that like makes them stronger or something. And also they're nickel, so they don't rust. So this is a test fit. It looks pretty good. So I'm gonna do 2 more grommets on the top, and then I think I'm gonna add a pocket kind of right in the middle, just to put your phone and knickknacks and stuff. I just sewed a pocket for knickknacks on there, and that means this one's all finished up. It's got the grommets. Now I just need to make a second one for the other side. All right, there we have 2 lee cloths complete. Let's go stick them in the boat and see if they fit. All right, that is the lee cloth. Let's put the cushion back down. See how that works. Okay, so here it is with the extra supports, and I think that feels pretty good. I'm gonna hop on in here. I'm gonna have a snap hook eventually. All right, so yeah, that looks like it should hold me in. Feels pretty comfy, and I made it out of mesh because I was thinking that would make it not so hot in the tropics, as opposed to like a solid piece of fabric. And then this pocket here is like the right size for like an iPad or a Kindle, and you could put a headlamp in there too. So I'm just gonna attach the other side, and then this will be one big project off the list. All right, that makes 2 of them. Very happy with these. This one I even had a little snap shackle to hold it on. I'm just cauterizing all the threads. I guess they're just like a nicer look. Won't unravel on you. I'm gonna make some modifications to this harness and life vest. I like it because it's got a dynamo loop, so doesn't have giant metal fasteners. But the things I don't like about it is there's no pockets, or even any like an easy way to hang it up. It seems kind of stupid, but it's like annoying when you want to put it away. So I'm gonna put a little loop up here just to hang it up, and then I'll just put some little straps so I can attach my DeLorme, and maybe another one here. And maybe at the second, put maybe a rigging knife and my InReach messenger, because I just feel safer with those things on me in case I fell overboard or need to cut something. So there is my webbing loops. I added one there, and this one at the top just to hang it up. And then what I do is I like to sew with just white thread because it sews the easiest, and then I just color that with a black permanent marker. I was thinking it might be nice to have a spot kind of near the mast to put a winch handle, and like everything you add on the mast becomes an extra snag point. So I was thinking I could just do a pocket right here on the sail pack. Then I could have a winch up there for raising the sail or reefing and whatnot. I just like sew a mesh pocket there. I think that'll be pretty good. Okay, that looks about right. I just gotta figure out how to get the sewing machine over to this. The cover is sewn to the sail, which, I mean, in a way it's kind of easy to get off that way, but it makes it hard to do things to the cover. I also decided to replace the 1/2-inch PVC battens and use 3/4 inch because these are a little bit floppy and all distorted. So hopefully these will hold their shape a little better. And it looks like they will still fit in the sail pack. I sewed a bunch of these cockpit kind of organizers. So I'm gonna put these on the boat with snaps. If you do these, make sure to keep them a little higher than you think, because they'll kind of sag and you don't really want them to be on the floor, because they'll get stuck, like, you know, wet dirt gets stuck in there. This what's this called? Press and snap. Makes snap so easy. You just put the top of the snap in here, and then the bottom right there, and snap, 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 snap. All right, have you had enough sewing projects yet? Well, I actually need to make a few more of these just organizing pockets. I've been putting them on the inside of like all my doors, just you know, trying to eke every little bit of storage out of here. But I probably won't make any more videos about that. I think in the next video I'll probably have a sailing video, maybe going when I went over to Fort Myers or something. I think I'll just leave you with a view of the anchorage and the Keys. Until next time.